Once upon a time, deep in the heart of the Indian jungle, a little boy named Mowgli was found by a pack of wolves. He had been left alone as a baby, but the kind-hearted mother wolf took him in as her own. The fierce father wolf and the rest of the pack accepted him, and he grew up among the animals, learning the ways of the jungle. Mowgli was raised by Bagheera, the wise black panther, and Baloo, the fun-loving bear. Bagheera taught him the laws of the jungle, while Baloo showed him how to enjoy life and be free. They warned him about the dangers of the jungle, especially the cruel and fearsome tiger, Shere Khan. Shere Khan, the mighty tiger, had always hated Mowgli and wanted to kill him. He believed that humans did not belong in the jungle. He tried to attack Mowgli many times, but Mowgli was smart. With the help of his animal friends, he always managed to escape. One day, Mowgli was kidnapped by the mischievous monkeys, the Bandarlog. They took him to the ruins of an ancient city. Bagheera and Baloo tried to rescue him, but the monkeys were too many. In the end, Kaa, the giant python, helped them. With his hypnotic eyes, he put the monkeys into a trance, and Mowgli was saved. As Mowgli grew older, he became stronger and wiser. He knew he had to face Shere Khan. Using his intelligence, he set a trap. He lured Shere Khan into a deep ravine where a herd of buffalo trampled the tiger to death. The jungle was finally free from fear. Though he loved the jungle, Mowgli knew he was a human. He eventually went to live in a nearby village, where he learned human ways. But his heart always belonged to the jungle, and he often returned to visit his animal family. Mowgli's story teaches us about courage, friendship, and the love between humans and nature. It reminds us that no matter where we come from, kindness and bravery will always help us find our way.